Hello everybody, Caleb here with Remax, and today we're in the community of Kingsland. Never heard of it? Well, it is a smaller community. We're in the southwest quadrant of Calgary, surrounded by Glenmore, Heritage, Elbow, and McLeod Trail, so the access here is absolutely perfect. You can get to the public transportation, the LRT. There's a lot of places that you can walk to. You can see Chinook Center right behind me here, and I'm going to show you the best value in the entire community. We're heading here to Kingsland Corner. Now, what I'm showing you is a 2-bedroom condo. It does not feel like a condo. It feels more like a home, and it's almost 1,100 square feet. So let's head on over. Now, there's a parking stall that's included with the unit. It's right behind me, and we're headed right up here to unit 211. Well, come on in, guys, and welcome. And like I say, doesn't this not feel more like a home as opposed to a condo? Look at all of these windows. They're all recently replaced. Very, very open concept here with the living and dining. This flows nicely into your updated kitchen. There's a lot of extra storage in this condo as well, with the newer stainless steel appliances, hardwood floors. Now this opens to that patio that we were just looking at. This is very, very private. In the summertime, this fills in very nicely. This is actually a lilac bush. You can put a barbecue, table and chairs out here. Now what's really special about this condo is that it has this extra bonus room, which could be used as an office, a third bedroom if you wanted, a gym area, hobby room. Now upstairs you have newer flooring here, 2 very, very large bedrooms. Check out these windows again. This is really made for the sun lover, the green thumb. Very, very cool. If you're looking for a roommate, nobody's going to be fighting over these bedrooms here. They share this beautiful bathroom, very nice and clean and updated, as well as this upstairs laundry space with all this extra storage. You notice there's a closet here as well, and so you're really, really never going to run out of extra space here. There is also an extra private storage room in the other building as well. Now this whole building, it's brick and concrete construction. It's priced under $225,000, which is an incredible price for what all you get here. If you guys have any questions or would like to book a private viewing, you know where to find me. Thanks for watching.